Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Diving and Baiting. I told y'all I was going to introduce y'all to the Monster Squad, and this is it right here, guys. Let them introduce themselves. This is Bryan right here.
Monster Squad, catching some big fish here. 2019 is going to be the year for us. We got a couple new guys coming in. Ricky's last year.
Yeah guys, we're going to be out here doing a lot of fishing this year. We got our new boy with us, Tim. We're going to be catching them, slaying them. Just keep your eye out for us, guys.
Don't go nowhere. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to that channel and hit the notifications so y'all know when the next episode is dropped.
Diving and baiting.
In the morning, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. We're out here musky fishing. Me and the buddy Bryan, aka Monster Squad. Sorry I've been missing in action, but we're out here. Hopefully we line some up today. Take to the left side of the tower. Take to the left. Alright guys, so right now I'm using my DS Attack Rat. Man, this little thing here is a pretty costly piece. It's pretty early, so I'm trying to use the top water baits. Hopefully we can get us one of these nice 40-some inch muskies on this rat. Haven't caught a muskie on top water yet this year, so hopefully the bait's gonna be good. Man, I'm telling you, a damn foul up there is gonna be perfect, man. I followed that day. That day y'all caught two?
Yeah.
You and Ricky?
You had a couple on, yeah.
Nah, he catch nothing. I had 11 followers all within an hour.
Zombie rat? Wow.
Alright guys, so I just lost the tail on my DS Attack Rat, so I threw this other rat up on here. It's a KAOS. That's the company, man. I forget the name of it. It's I think it's KOAS Attack Rat as well, but man, when I bought this, he threw me an extra bait in there, but this thing, look at that detail. Bit costly as well, but I'm very happy with my purchase due to the fact that it's a nice bait and you put a lot of craftsmanship into it. That's what I love, man. I love when a person sells a bait and you be like, dang, why is he selling it for $120? And then you got them conventional fishermen who's like, I would never pay that much. You're paying for somebody's art. You know what I'm saying? You rather sit there. Yeah, you're paying for somebody's art and time and patience, you know. But you'd rather spend $3,000 on hooking your car system up in your vehicle. If that's what you like to do, I'm not putting $3,000 just to listen to music. Yeah. I'd rather spend $3,000 on fishing gear. That, to me, that's a hobby. You know what I mean? Yeah. right, guys, we just switched positions. I put the swim baits up. Right now I'm out here with the hot tail glide bait. Hopefully I got some luck. He just had a follow, so hopefully, man, they're out here moving. I was out here about a week ago, and man, they was out here chasing like crazy.
Oh, there he was. Just had a follow. He actually hit it, and I missed him.
Damn.
I thought it was the bottom, dude.
Yeah, dude, this is where I had my follows last, the 11 follows at.
Dude, he was eager. I wasn't paying attention. I thought I had the bottom. No. He must have hit it.
Damn.
Let go and still coming in.
Just had a bite. You hear me? He was on there just now. Dude, I had a hit.
Dude, that was a fish, wasn't it?
Yeah. You seen it?
That was probably.
You didn't see it come out the water?
Yeah, I've seen the oil.
Man, I ain't bring my glasses, dude. Rushing. They's in my truck too, that's the bad part.
Look at this, guys. This right here was perfect timing. As soon as I got the drone in the air, he hooked up. So that was perfect timing. It was meant to be. He caught a monster, guys. And he was just fighting. This thing was fighting. And I'm surprised he got it in, but I'm glad more than anything I got a chance to catch it all on film. Let's dive in the big.
Look at her. Just look at her. Posing for the camera. First photo shoot ever. Just look at her. Yes, sir. Look at that thing right there. She is a monster. Who do you think she weighs? Bryan Weed right his best. All right, guys, my buddy just caught one. 44 inches long, 18-inch girth, She was a beauty, man. She put up a hell of a fight too. And I'm glad we got the GoPro up, caught the drone footage. Man, we're having a beautiful morning today. Remember guys, if you haven't subscribed, do so now. Diving and baiting. Come on, baby. Let me just get a follow. See, they're in here. Just give me a follow. All right, guys. So I switched to my bucktail. Got the double 8s on there. A lot of guys up there fishing in the dam. Big catfish in there. Real big catfish. 25, 30 pound, huh? Dude, I'm gonna catch some flatties. Yeah, guys, so for y'all don't know, he caught that 44-inch musky on a TK Class 9, tiny class. Man, they're very, very effective baits. They swim erratic. You got 9 different ways to fish them. 9 different ways, guys, so it's like 9 baits in one. And we ain't gonna talk about the price on them baits, because that's a whole different subject. Do you agree with me or disagree with me there, Bryan? $90 bait. Explain to me, fellas. Drop your answer in the comment section below. A $90 bait, people end up selling for $300 to $400. I see no possible explanation about that. But you guys have any questions about that? Any how you feel? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys. So right now I'm using my Depths 175. It's a smaller version of the Depths 250s. I had 5 Depths 250s. 3 of them was an OG, and the other 2 is new swims. I ended up losing them all. But being though when it gets hot, you more likely want to use the 175 because they're not really chasing big fish. I basically use my big baits in the wintertime, my smaller baits in the summertime. But this is probably one of the best baits is out there, guys. Japanese engineered Depths 175. Diving and baiting. All right, so look, guys, my buddy, we just got out here. My buddy just hooked up. He caught the 44-inch, 44.5-inch musky, 18-inch girth. I was messing with my drone. As soon as I got it up in the air, he said he hooked up. I was already on record, so we got that footage. Beautiful, man. So if you guys like what you've seen so far, man, give me the thumbs up, man. And if you haven't done so yet, man, please subscribe to my channel. I would love y'all support. I love what I'm doing. I just would like to do it full time. I can't do that without you guys. Right now, I just got this bait last week. It's a toxic weight hog. I've been trying to get one over a year. I finally got my hands on one. So we're gonna see what it does, put it to use. I actually was out here last week with it, and I had 11 follows off of it, but I had no bites. But so I'm gonna use that. Hopefully I can hook something up. And remember, guys, it's diving and baiting. Subscribe to the channel and catch more of this content. And that's good footage, bro. Damn, I'm glad I had that drone up, man. Yes, sir.
Dude, that's sick. I mean, that's probably going to be really sick. Dude, if that thing was, does it shoot the whole way around or what?
Yeah, wherever I control it.
When that thing, you were looking this way, the fish shot out the water, probably up to my chest.
I got it.
Oh, did you?
Got everything, man. I had every camera rolling. Chest
sick.
cam, go, everything, bro.
That'll be good footage for your channel. That's what you want, man.
All right, guys, so I haven't been having luck with my swim baits. I tried the wade hog and the water hog, and they both need tuning. The wade hog needs tuned very, very bad. The water hog, I tuned it where it's swimming nice now, but it's not really working for me right now. So I'm using my hot tail. Actually, about 3 weeks ago, I caught a 44-inch musky on this, so I'm gonna try it again today. In this spot we're at, I shouldn't even be posting, recording on here because everybody comes here. It's overpressured so much, man. I used to come up here and fish with my buddy, but I don't anymore. He shows everybody all the good fishing spots, and then he gets mad when he goes up there, and then somebody's up there, and it's one of his friends he took with like a whole family of people. So he always gets mad at himself and takes down somebody else. And if any of y'all guys local, I'm sure you know who I'm talking about. And if you get mad about me for spreading your business, oh well. It's all love with me though. It's all love.